Hello everyone, it's Peter, your personal face exercise coach from FACEROBICS. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of these awful lines between your eyes. I'd like to give you a little bit of an explanation about the muscle. So here's my little muscle man Dorian, and the muscles that we're going to be using today are the corrugator muscles and the procerus. Now with the procerus muscle, it's tucked in underneath the corrugator. And it sits underneath, and the corrugator then sort of sits on top of it. And sometimes when you've got two lines like this, lines like I've got when you frown, what happens is the corrugator is pushing in to where that tucked in area is. And that's why we get this frowning and why we get these lines here. Now the other thing that happens is that once we get lines on our face, the wrinkles, the really deep wrinkles that stay there, they tend to act like scars. So in some cases it's going to be difficult to get rid of each and every one of these. It's going to be something that we can do, but because a wrinkle, when it gets too much further down the track, it becomes a scar. So we really have to treat it like it's actually a scar and not a wrinkle. So what we're going to be doing today with this exercise is that we're going to be working one set of muscles going upwards and the other set of muscles are going to be going downwards. This is the first exercise for Exercise Along With Me Series 6, and you're to do this as part of the Exercise Along With Me Series 6 full face routine. Okay, let's get started with it to show you how. So place your finger, your forefinger, on top of your forehead, and place it right in the middle of your forehead. And you need to press very firmly with this exercise. Then you get your two other fingers of your hand and you place them across your corrugator muscles. Now when you lift your forehead, your fingers should be going up, the two fingers should be going upwards, and this finger should be going downwards. Takes a little bit to coordinate, but once you get used to it, you'll be fine. Now the main things with this exercise that you need to be aware of is you need to make sure that there is no wrinkling going on underneath this part in the middle of the forehead. So if you are doing this and you can feel wrinkling right in the middle, you need to press a lot firmer. These fingers are going up and down with the muscle. So as you lift your brow, your fingers should be going up and down. And they're ever so slightly pushing up as well. So you've got this sort of push up, push down action happening. When you do this, make sure that you are fully focused and that you are working on the muscles that we're talking about. Here is a picture of the muscles. Have a look at those muscles and please do really study them before you actually do this exercise. Now, as I say, if you've been doing the routines and you're coming up to the end of Series 5, you need to learn the exercises first, and then after about a week or so, once you've learned all the exercises to the new series, start the new series. If you're a beginner and you've just come to the channel, start with Exercise Along With Me Series 1. Here is the link. Also remember to subscribe to the channel. When you do subscribe, hit the bell, because the bell will give you notifications as to when I've updated my next video. The next exercise in Exercise Along With Me Series 6 is coming up here. This exercise will help you get rid of eye wrinkles. The amazing thing about this channel is it will help you look younger and feel better. You have a great day, guys. See you next time. Bye.
We've been waiting around for too long for something to show. Same old places.